Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable Quick Share on your Samsung or Android phone. First, let's go into settings. By the way, if you like these type of helpful videos or how-to videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button as I release daily videos. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Advanced Features. Next, you'll tap right where you see toggle beside Quick Share at the top, and that's it. Now you can tap on Quick Share to edit it even further, as now you can set it up that only your contacts will be able to send you files. So you can tap on contacts only, or if you like to receive it from everyone, meaning persons that are not stored in your contacts, you can leave it at everyone. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to enable Quick Share on your Samsung phone.